Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be doing my April Boxycharm unboxing video. Usually this video would have gone up as Makeup Monday, but if you guys don't keep up with me on Instagram and Snapchat and stuff like that, you guys wouldn't have seen that my daughter, I have a 2-year-old daughter, she got really sick on me this past week. She had a fever for like a full week. And it wasn't just like a whatever kind of fever. She was having 103, 104 fevers. She is getting 3 molars at the same time. And she did have a really bad UTI. So I was in and out of her doctor's office, her pediatrician's office, and the emergency room. But thank God everything is back to normal. That's why I have not uploaded any vlogs also. So if you guys are subscribed to me, I do have a channel, obviously, hello. But I do upload vlogs, and then every Monday I upload a makeup tutorial. I wasn't able to get it up on Monday, so you're probably watching this either Tuesday or Wednesday. I'm not sure when exactly this video is going to go up, but it is going to be an unboxing of my Boxycharm. I do have all of my links and coupon codes and referral links and stuff like that listed down in the description box. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription that you do pay $21 a month for. You get about 5 full-size products, and every time, you guys, you get really good products. I don't think I would ever unsubscribe from Boxycharm just because my collection has grown so much because of it. So if you guys are interested in getting that, be sure to sign up. They do take out the $21 because it is 21 bucks a month. They do take that out every first of the month. So instead of buying McDonald's, you can get Boxycharm. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, let me know what you guys think of my backdrop. I do have something a little bit different. Let me know if you guys like this better than looking at my nasty like room in the back, because I always had a mess. I always had to clean right before I was gonna film. So I just told Bert, get me a stand, get me a backdrop, and let's get to it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and look forward to the next one. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, so jumping right in, I have my Boxycharm box right here. I always wait to unbox it with you guys. I have seen some pictures on Instagram and stuff of the products that we got sent for this month, and I think this is the April box. Yeah, April, because March I got the Boxy Luxe. So opening it up, this is what we get, and it says peace, love, and Boxy. So this is what the little card says, and then on the back, of course, it says everything that you get and how much everything is worth. So you open it up, and this is what I got. So I see here that I have a Luscious Angel Eyes eyeshadow primer base. I don't know if this, oh, this is in the shade Nude. So I didn't even know that you were supposed to get an eyeshadow base, or like that some people were gonna get one. But this is nice. I actually have 2 other eyeshadow bases in my collection or whatever. So this is fun. This little guy retails for 14 bucks. So that was $14. And then the second thing that we have here is the Appeal holographic lip gloss. I'm not big on these like holographic things, but I guess they do come in handy. So it looks like a regular lip gloss. You guys see it? It's just like extra shiny. This little dude is $21. Would I pay $21 for this? No. The third little thing here is this Diamond Glow Powder, and this is a loose powder highlighter, and I got mine in the shade Purple Dream. I have seen so many people talk and rave about this little powder that it's like super good. So this is what the little jar looks like. Holy crap. Okay, so this is that highlighter. You guys see it? This one right here. I think the second to last thing are the Luxie Summer Days 3-piece brush set, and this is $28. So you get the Luxie 512 small contouring brush to sculpt and define your cheekbones, the Luxie 245 small shader brush, which is perfect to pat your base shadow on and glitter, and then the Luxie 209 large shader brush to pat on and blend out any eye look. Ooh, and these are so pretty. They match my backdrop. So cute. So this is the Luxie 209 large shader brush. This is what this little guy looks like. I'm so excited for these. This is the Luxie 512 small contouring brush. So cute. And then this is the Luxie 245. So this is also really good for concealers, glitters, or basically anything to put on your lid. And then, like I said, these brushes are $28. And then the last thing in our box is this Pure Cosmetics Festival eyeshadow palette. This is a 12-piece pressed pigment palette, and this is what the colors look like on the back. I think you get like 2 glitters or so. I'm not quite sure, but I'm pretty sure that this makeup look is gonna be because I've seen so many people use like all these products, so I'm pretty excited. You get a really good sized mirror, so that's awesome. And then this is what the, oh my god, look at that glitter. You get these 12 eyeshadows, but look at this one and this. I have to swatch it. Whoa. I don't know what kind of look I'm going to do today, but we're just gonna go ahead and get right into it. So for my foundation, you guys know that I always use the Wet n Wild foundation, the Photo Focus one. I've already primed my face too, so I already have some of that. And this foundation is really, really dark on my skin right now. Even though it's summer, I haven't been outside that much because you guys know Grecia has been really sick on me, so we have literally been indoors 24/7. So then you guys, I have a bag full of stuff from Ulta. It's mostly lashes. I got 3 of the e.l.f. Camo concealers, some lip liners, a whole ton of lashes. I have some glitter bases and stuff like that. But for today, I did want to show you guys these camouflage concealers. I got one in the shade Medium Sand, Fair, Warm, and I know I have one more in here. And then I also got some lip liners, and I'm missing one. I know I had gotten 3 of them. I don't know where the 3rd one is at. Fair Warm is almost like white, and I had gotten this one to sort of like cut my crease with. The only thing that I don't like about those is that they dry up super duper fast, so you have to blend it out really quick. I would say they are somewhat comparable to the Tarte Shape Tape. The only thing that I do not like about them is that they dry super duper duper fast. Like, just do one eye at a time. So, and then I also got these matte lipsticks from e.l.f. also. So I got these shades. I got Berry Sorbet, Wine Tour, Red Velvet, and Blushing Rose. And each of these are $5 each, as well as the concealers. They're also $5. And then I picked up some lip liners from Jordana. These colors in lip liners. Okay, so I'm going to do one eye at a time to show you guys how fast and how full coverage this stuff is. You also do not need a whole ton of it. Just very little, and it's going to work. There is your difference, and again, this is medium tan, so this is a lot of a like lighter shade compared to the other ones that I got, and this one is super light still. And then I'm gonna set all of that with the loose air spun. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna use the Rimmel Stay Matte Long Lasting Press Powder. I'm gonna use the Cover FX Silhouette shade. This, we got it in last month's box. I'm gonna use this shade right here for my bronzer. You guys always ask what products I use on my face, and I was honestly not going to show all this. I was just gonna show like the main products that we got in the box, but I know someone's bound to ask, what did you use on your face? What bronzer did you use and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you all anyways. And I'm basically gonna go over all these spots with a darker bronzer. This is just to bring like color back into my face, just because I do get a little bit washed out. So I'm going to use the Urban Decay Beach Bronzer in the shade Bronze, and I'm just going to put this here, basically all in the same spots that I just put the Silhouette shade. I'm going to put this in those exact same spots. I'm going to use this Peach Punch blush from CoverGirl to put on my cheeks. So I guess I'm going to go with something pink today. Like in the summertime, I love putting blush on the tip of my nose. I just think it makes you look so cute and like flushed almost. So that's a little thing of mine. I'm going to use the Continuous Setting Mist by Morphe. Highlights, and I'm going to pick up just, I don't know how like hardcore this stuff is, so oh my god, it's like pink. It's freaking pink, and that brush is not, that's not what that brush is for. Now I'm going to, I guess, jump into the eyes because that's all that's left to do. So I'm gonna go in with Epic right here. I'm gonna zoom you guys in real quick. Oh, I already set my eyelids and I already put powder and stuff, so I'm not gonna use this, but I will be using it in my next Makeup Monday video, just because I don't know, I don't like putting like a liquid or whatever over powder because it just makes it look really weird. I'm gonna go in with Hidden Desert. Since I am going to attempt to cut my crease, you guys see that this look is really ugly before it gets sort of somewhat better. I'm going to put this second shade, Hidden Desert, a little bit higher than my actual crease. So that is why this is where I'm placing this second shadow. Just so that you guys know what it is that I'm doing, because I didn't explain anything. So now I'm going to go in and cut my crease. I'm going to grab some of the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to start cutting my crease. And then using the Luxie 245 brush, I'm going to go in with Sunset, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to put that all over my lid. And I'm also going to pick up some of that Firework shade. And then it probably looks worse before it's gonna look better. And I'm not gonna use eyeliner today. I'm going to grab some of that All Night shade and just press it really close on my lash line. So this whole eye look looks like crap. I don't like it at all. I'm gonna put on some mascara and pop on some falsies, and I will be right back to finish up the look. Don't mind my lash, it's drying, only some of it got stuck. So I'm letting it dry so that I can stick it on, but I'm gonna use the e.l.f. liquid matte lipstick in the shade Blushing Rose. And I'm hoping that this will be a nice color. Yeah, it's really nude, but let me try to stick on my lash. Okay. I don't know if I should try to put some of this holographic stuff over. It just looks like a gloss. So this is today's makeup look, using mostly all of the products from Boxycharm. I really like this Pure Festival palette. I think I told you guys how much this little guy costs. This is $36, and if I would have seen this at the store or like wherever they sell Pure Cosmetics, I think I would have purchased this because the shadows are so pretty. It comes with a really big mirror, so if you guys want to see another tutorial using this eyeshadow palette, then let me know and I will do that, because I absolutely love all of the colors that it has, as well as everything else that I used. The brushes worked awesome. I did use 2 out of the 3 from the brush set, so I really enjoy those. I love Boxycharm. I love all of the products that you get for only $21 a month. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, it's only 21 bucks a month, and they take it out every first of the month. So if you guys want to get your own box, my links and stuff are always listed down in the description box, where you guys can use my code. So if you guys want to use my referral code, it's always linked down in the description box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look, and I'm so sorry that it went up a little bit late, but at least I got a video up for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.